subscribe my channel. Today I am going to give a speech on practice makes a man perfect. There are so many tasks and activities we do. Some are easy where other relatively difficult. However, nothing is impossible and nothing is beyond our reach. If we want to succeed in life in one particular field, we should have patience and interest in that field. We must have positive quality of determination to achieve it. The essential ingredient to achieve success is hard work. Practice and patience work simultaneously. This is the key to success. Thus, it is said that practice makes a man perfect. If one has definite aim in one's life, and one can go to any extent to achieve it. Nothing is impossible. He or she who has a goal in life has to work harder and harder. Thank you. Have a nice day.